Wow, went to go and water my banana plant and there's a little baby bird stuck there. I wonder, is he injured? I don't know what to do. I've never cared for a bird.
A bird!
Yeah, you see the bird?
I do see.
Oh my goodness, I hope his mama comes back. Oh wow, guys.
Wow.
We're just gonna leave it alone and just watch it. And hopefully... Oh, it's flapping its wings so it can fly. It can fly. I'm sure it can.
It's scaring me.
It's scaring you, Brian? Why are you afraid?
I got it.
Brian, be quiet. Bria's not afraid of the bird. No, don't frighten it. Don't frighten it. Bria, leave the bird alone. We don't want to frighten it. I think what we need to do is go in the house and watch it from the kitchen window. Well, you hear that noise? I think it's the mother is trying to get it to come back. Did you see a bird over there, Brian?
Look, it's the mama bird.
You see the mama bird? Where?
I just saw it. Mama bird! I saw it on the tree.
Okay, Bria, I need you to go sit down.
That's the mama tree.
Yeah, leave the bird alone.
That's mama tree.
Yeah, we're going to leave the bird alone. We're going to go in the house and watch it from the window. And hopefully... Oh, it can fly! And there's the mama bird! Oh, wow! So we have nothing to worry about.
Oh no!
It's fine. You see it right there on the canopy? You see it up there? See, Brian?
Wow!
Oh, it's fine. So it can fly. It'll find its mother. And everything will be fine.
Where is it? I don't see it.
You don't see it? Come on. Look right here. You don't see that bird right there?
Oh, there it is. Come back here.
It just flew away. And there goes the mama bird.
Oh no.